let's see how to make this cafreal paste. These are the few ingredients that we will require. Now I'll just take you through them. So this is 1 inch of cinnamon or dalchini, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 10 to 12 peppercorns. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 8 cloves, which is also called lavang. So this is what the cloves are. Now besides this, we also need some other few ingredients. So these are 4 green chilies. You can use the light or the dark. Half an inch of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of fresh coriander, half a teaspoon of tamarind soaked in about 1/4 cup of water for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to take out only the pulp of the tamarind. We're going to use that. Now I have a recipe for chicken cafreal. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go and see how to make that. And some salt to taste. So now in my grinder, I'm going to add my green chilies, my ginger and my garlic. So I'm just going to take off the tips of the garlic, of the chilies. So you can use a knife or a scissor, a kitchen scissor. So you can make this cafreal masala and keep it in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days. And then you can, make your chicken cafreal whenever you feel like making it. You can also make mushroom cafreal. So now I've just ground this to a paste, and now I'm going to add my fresh coriander leaves. Now what I generally do is I soak my coriander leaves in some water, to which I add a little bit of salt for about 15 minutes and then wash the coriander leaves under running water thoroughly. So now this is our paste. And now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Now I'm not going to add the haldi powder because it discolors my mixer. So I'll add that a little later on. And now I'm going to add this tamarind water that we made by soaking the tamarind and then extracting it, and some salt to taste. So again, I'm going to grind everything to a very, very fine paste like this. And now I'm going to transfer this to a clean bowl or to a bottle, which I can store in my refrigerator. But of course, we got to add our turmeric powder first. So I'll just transfer this to a nice clean bowl. Now once you grind this, you'll get the beautiful aroma of all the fresh ingredients and the spices. Now we didn't add any water, we just added the tamarind water. And now I'm going to add my haldi powder and then mix everything nicely together. And that's it, friends. Your cafreal masala is all ready. So do check out my chicken cafreal recipe in the description box below and do try it out. I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Bye. I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.